All right, so we got a push mower here. It's actually a walk behind mower, and the customer says it doesn't run. So one of the clues might be is the cables are disconnected. So it's that engagement cable. This one actually will shut off the engine when you let go of the handle, the cable. So what we're going to do is we're going to zip tie that just temporarily to see if it will start once the cable is engaged. Okay, now we're going to prime it. I checked for gas. It had gas in it. I probably primed it too much. All right, so I guess we'll just replace the cable on it. Okay, so we're going to zip tie it again. Try to get this cable off. And then we got to squeeze these tabs together. Got to pull it right out like that, like that. Okay, so now we're at the handlebar. This is the cable where it hooks up to the handlebar, and we're going to remove that. Okay, so we're going to come back down to the engagement. We'll put our new cable on. Assuming our zip tie is not in the way. Yeah, there's a little bit. We'll get around it. And then you'll see that the wings come out on that clip. We'll just push that back in. And then we'll come back up to our handlebar here. Okay, so now then we'll put the cable into the... So now I'm showing you back down at the clip, and it appears to be working. Okay, so now I'm going to test it to make sure it works. Now, he also said that the cable to the self-propelled drive is broke, which I agree, it's broke. So we're going to try to replace that. Now, he doesn't know if the self-propelled works, so we'll take it one step at a time. So the first thing we're going to do is lift it up. And we got to get this cover off right here. So I got my jack stand. So it looks like there's maybe one bolt holding that shroud on. That's all I can see so far. Okay, so that's a 3/8. Oh, nope, there's one more bolt. Right there. You're not gonna be able to see it without a flashlight, but it'd just be easier if I took it out. Okay, so that's off. Let's get the mouth, let's get the grass out of here. That looks like it's in good shape, I think. Okay, so we got the same setup with the cable. Just clip. There's really no way to loosen this one, so I might have to just break it. Let's see if we can get it out with the spring first. Yep, that worked. There it went. Okay, so here's the new cable. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to put a link, or an up next box, excuse me, an up next box to a video that shows you how to order aftermarket parts. Okay, so you put the cable inside that hole there. Give you a different perspective. Okay, so we put the spring in the hole, then we're gonna put the cable in that hole. Slide the black piece down, and that's going to pop right in there. Okay, we're at the second handle now, and we'll push this through. Oh, that was a lot easier than the last one. Okay, so got my camera button a little mixed up, so I had to put that second cable inside this holder here. We're going to keep this cable, I think, tight. I think. We may have to adjust it a little. Okay, so I think that works. All right, we'll give it a test drive. Okay, so that worked. So we'll get that cover back on, but before I do that, I'm gonna wash it, but I'll do that off camera. Okay, so I got it rinsed off a bit. I even changed the oil. So now we'll put the shroud back on. Okay, so that's all there is to it. So if you'll click this up next box, it'll take you to a video, and I think I'm gonna send you over to a video where you can learn how to order parts. So I hope this video helps you work on your equipment under the shade tree. Thanks for watching.